Do you find it hard to remember what your optometrist or ophthalmologist had recommended for you at the end of your appointment and when you go home? If you have, continue watching because in this video, I'll introduce an ingenious solution by Labtician Thea to help make your life a little easier. Hey YouTube, my name is Dr. Natalie Chai. This channel brings you the latest science-based education and treatments in dry eye disease, myopia management, and specialty contact lenses to help you understand why it should matter to you for optimal eye health, function, comfort, and even beauty. Hey guys, you probably noticed that a lot of my videos up until this point has been from home. The reason for that is I'm doing a little bit of renovations right now in the clinic setting, so it's pretty dusty. It's not as pretty at the moment. So it will be a couple extra weeks or so being in the home setting, but I promise you I'll be starting to video in the new area. So I'm really excited to show that to all of you guys very soon. Now, I don't know about you, but when I go to my doctor's appointments or just any appointment where serious matters are being discussed, there's sometimes too much, number one, to understand entirely. Number two, I'm unsure what questions to ask on the spot, especially when they ask me if I have any questions. And certainly number three, not remembering the exact directives and recommendations made. So if that's how I feel when I'm the patient, I'm sure my patients on the flip side feel the same way when I start recommending certain products for at-home maintenance for their dry eye disease. Not too long ago, I tried my best to solidify my directives by using repetition and wrote it down on paper for my patients, and it usually worked pretty well. However, the compliance and consistency over a longer period of time tended to waver because, let's face it, life happens. If something is out of sight, it is usually out of mind. So cue Labtician Thea with their dry eye kits. Let's take a quick look at who Labtician Thea is. But first, I have to do a quick shout out to this amazing company and the reps that I personally work with in my area, because the growth of my dry eye practice would not be possible without this pivotal partnership. So thank you. Let's let Labtician Thea introduce themselves. Labtician Thea is a unique and exciting joint venture between Canada's Labtician Ophthalmics Incorporated and France's Laboratoire Thea. Labtician Ophthalmics Incorporated is a provider of specialty medical devices and pharmaceutical products, while Laboratoire Thea is an independent pharmaceutical company specializing in the research, development, and commercialization of products exclusive to eye care. Now, the dry eye kits I'll be chatting about are only available in Canada at the moment. However, I'm sure there are similar kits wherever you are, or better yet, you can certainly be creative and create one yourself. At my practice, we carry Labtician Thea's dry eye kits to help streamline and simplify what happens at home in a meaningful way. We will explore what this particular dry eye kit includes and what benefits and value it may bring to you. If I may, this is an unpacking video, so let's get to it. So this is actually the dry eye kit that I have right now currently in my practice, so I can only speak to this. However, let me kind of show you first. This is the bag that it comes in. As you can see, here's the contents in the back and of course the front. Oh, what I love about this package here is it has a nice compact all-in-one so that you can keep all things dry eye related all in one place, so that it decreases the chances of you misplacing something. Or another good way to do it too is that you know when you are running low, so you can just refill the bag with whatever product that you need again. Other thing that I love about it is that it is nice and compact for travel. So once we're all able to travel again and you definitely want to keep up with your at-home maintenance, this is a fantastic way just to keep everything together. Let's actually open up the contents. All right, let's actually go over this. This is actually one of the features that I really appreciated about Labtician, was that they have these printable cards. Not only, as a practitioner, what I really love is the customization and the branding that it allows us to do, but the other thing too, super important for the patient, are the directions on the bottom. In this particular kit, as you can see, there are 4 products here. And so if, of course, in the event that you just forget for a split second what to do, it has general directions on the bottom and directives based off of, common dosages and common frequency and consistencies. Now, if I feel that we need to do something different, I usually will handwrite and change certain things directly on the card. So it's a really nice way and a very tasteful way for you to remember what to do all in one place. place. Now for the French folks, there's actually French on the back as well. Okay, so item number 1. So as you can see, this is the brooder mask. I'm sure a lot of you, if you don't already have one or own one, you have something very similar to it. So this is of course my go-to when it comes to at-home warm compresses. In the past, we've told our patients, and we've also been taught, just to use a warm cloth, put it underneath hot water, put on the eyes. But in my opinion, I feel that it is just not effective. So something like this will do a better job in penetrating the heat through the lids directly to those meibomian or oil glands. What I also love about this too is that not only, of course, will it give you heat, but it also has these beads inside. I don't know if you can hear it. So the moisture beads, of course, will help with moisturizing the skin around the eye. So it's very soothing. The other thing too is that inside as well, it also has information and directions as to how long to, number 1, heat it up in the microwave, number 2, how to clean it, and of course, number 3, it also gives you good information around the features of the brooder mask, like it being, as you can see here, naturally hydrating, washable and reusable, antibacterial, and of course, non-allergenic. So it's super reusable for a very long period of time. Okay, let's see what's next. So this is one of my favorites. There's a lot of good stuff out there, but certainly if you are following me on my Instagram page, we are doing a campaign, not just myself, but basically all optometrists who are choosing to participate throughout Canada, on introducing and raising awareness on this one drop called Thea's Duo. In a nutshell, Thea's Duo is wonderful for a few reasons. Number 1, it is preservative free, so we're not introducing more chemicals or harmful chemicals that could contribute to dry eye. The other two as well, in the name Duo means something. Duo means that there's a combination of hyaluronic acid. So hyaluronic acid, again, a lot of you ladies will find it familiar because it is in women's serums and moisturizers nowadays to, plump things up a little bit more. In the context of dry eye, hyaluronic acid will help water retention. So it really holds in the water for hydration of the water portion of your tear film. The other thing too is of course a sugar, a disaccharide called trehalose. Trehalose is found in actually in a plant, in lots of plants, and it has healing properties. So in addition to hydrating, it will definitely work towards healing the surface of your cornea, and also to a certain extent regenerate and becomes an osmoprotectant. Let's take a look at what else is in the bag. So yes, this is the Blephiclean wipes. This is one of my favorite, again, especially when we're talking about lid hygiene. So I'm a huge stickler when it comes to lid hygiene, especially when we are seriously talking about the advanced in-office treatments like IPL, RF, Ilux, LipiFlow, whatever it is. The reason for that is I want to set my patients up for a success. And so for the best possible result, we have to make sure that everything is clean. So this is where this product comes in play. So Blephiclean is fantastic because, let me open up the box here for you. As you can see, they come in these little individually wrapped packets. So the nice thing about each cloth is that it's sterile, it's preservative free, paraben free. There's a lot of natural ingredients in there. And also when you open up the package here, you'll notice and appreciate a nice little coconut scent to it. And the awesome thing is that they're very stretchy. So you can certainly actually use one pack for both eyes because you can just stretch it out. Again, I'm gonna have a separate video on this actual product itself and kind of show you what it looks like. But this is a great product that I always have some form of lid hygiene in the dry kits. Let's take a look at the last thing in the bag here. Right, so here is the liquid form of the PRN Omega-3. So PRN stands for Physicians Recommended Nutraceutical. PRN is the only brand physician recommended with published scientific evidence for dry eye. Now, I'm going to go more into detail again in a separate video when I talk about the liquid form and also its capsule counterpart. So if you prefer, the pill form over the liquid, absolutely you have that choice, or you can even mix and match. Now, some of the features that I can go over right now with these omega-3s is that it has high potency. meaning that it will deliver around 2,500 milligrams of omega-3 daily. Its bioavailability is 100% of re-esterified triglyceride, and that's the form of omega-3s that you want. And again, I'll go over that in another video. So what I love about, of course, the omega-3s here, that with the liquid form, it's 1 teaspoon a day. Very doable for myself. And don't be scared. I know that you're thinking about, hey, is it going to give me, the fish burps? Is it going to taste weird? But let me assure you, you won't get the fish burps. That's number one. Number two, you will also notice that it has a slight, nice lemony taste to it. Now, some people are still unable to get over kind of that consistency of the liquid form, just because it is a little gooey. But I just, take a teaspoon, drink some water or whatever it is, and I'm done for my dosage for the day. So that's the contents of this dry eye kit in particular. So it all comes into this little kit, this handy kit. So again, that's just the kit that happens to be the contents that I chose for my practice. However, the great thing is that Labtician Thea offers multiple options of different kits to meet the needs of the doctor and the demographics of the practice. So the nice thing too about this kit is that the contents of it can constantly change, meaning that as your dry eye continues to improve, hey, you might be able to go down to a different product, or even, do something a little bit different. In place of, the Blephicline wipes, for example, there is the option of the counterpart called the Blepha gel. Sometimes a lot of people will have the growth of mites on their lids and lashes, and sometimes there's another product called the Blephadex. And there's other things too that you can mix and match. So it's very fluid depending on where you're at with your dry eye, so that you just have everything in one place. But I hope that this is something that you would want to think about, especially if you're not sure what to do, or if you want to put things into one case. And this is a great travel case again for when we're able to travel freely. So that's it for me. So I hope you learned something about these dry eye kits. I think it's a wonderful idea. It's not for everybody. A lot of people do have a lot of the products already just kind of individually, but if you're starting and you have nothing really, this is a great way to just get started. Make sure to ask your optometrist the next time that you see them for your eye exam, or better yet, when you're there for a dry eye consultation. They might not have the exact same company product as we do here. However, they might have something different to offer and very similar. So this is not, again, one size fit all. It's very customized to the patient. And also we all as doctors have our favorites. So we can certainly, put things together very similarly just to help you with your dry eye symptoms. That's it for me. I hope you enjoyed the video and learned something new. Now, if you like learning about dry eye disease and now the products associated with dry eye disease, especially for at-home maintenance, and also topics around myopia management and specialty contact lenses, make sure to subscribe to my channel and also click the notification bell so you don't miss my new video every second Thursday. All right, guys, take care of your eyes and we'll see you next time.